As you know, you got a second order equation. You could have general solutions like this. Okay? And your combination is, say real general solutions, that means bad terminology.
I think it's funny. I saw you carrying, I was like. Well, first I knew she got a new cup, then I was like, I read it and I was
Okay,
like.
if this is a fundamental set, the general solution is this. Linear combination is a fundamental set. I'm using B and C now for these constants, which is different than the letters I used over here. But the idea is the same. Well, this matches this form, right? And we'll call this a form A times this. Okay? It's not necessarily of this form. You gotta have a constant. Okay, with
you're right.
right? So tangent of A is this over this. Tangent of A is this divided by this divided by this, and A squared equals B squared plus C squared. I square both sides of this, square both sides of this, and add them. I get B squared plus C squared over here. I get A squared times the cosine squared of A plus the sine squared of A over here, right? Which is just A squared. Your basic Pythagorean identity.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, that's identical, essentially, what we did over here. Okay? So again, you get let phi equal A. Then B sine of omega t plus C cosine of omega t equals A times the cosine omega t plus phi new phi.
Okay.
Okay?
I mostly understand it now.
Yeah, well, again, not saying things were great in the good old days, but I will tell you that by the time I got done with my high school trig course, all of that seemed obvious. Okay? At least I was sufficiently prepared that when I saw it, I said, oh yeah, because I knew those formulas. I'd done hundreds of problems using combinations of angles, okay? And as I say, almost anybody where you're going to be transferring comes from any country except the United States will have been in similar, and actually often much better shape having finished high school, okay? So you really want to be up to speed in this stuff. Otherwise, people are going to instantly see things that you can't work out in an afternoon because you haven't done the process. So I do recommend some practice on, and it's mostly high school level stuff, pre-calculus level stuff. Okay? But you know, you want to make sure your calculus is in good shape too. Because, again, a lot of people you'll be competing against, and people come out of here and compete just fine. But you want to compete as high, as well as you can.
Yeah.
Okay, if they come out of our engineering program with A's and B's, they just do very similar work at Tech. Okay? One of the top engineering schools in the country. Even people who come out of here that we're not sure of, okay, often get through and do okay. Okay, sometimes they do pretty well. Sometimes they flunk out.
An engineering degree from Tech is pretty good, whether you get A's
Yeah,
all the time or not.
it's better than pretty good. It's very good. It's not MIT or Stanford, okay? But it's right there in the very next echelon,
Yeah.
okay? So you're going to be fine. I'm just advising you, your life will be easier if you get some of this stuff out of the way. If you have time to do it, to the extent you have time. Also, you need to have a little downtime over the summer.
Yeah. You mentioned about making a list of things I need to know.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. Right now, I'm just trying to give people something that's going to help them get through their finals, right?
Right.
So as soon as I turn my attention from that, I got to do a little bit with the assessment, and then I'll turn my attention to the other thing. Okay?